Good question. To be fair, I think it's the whole package of the course, that everything in bit by bit he goes through, you're learning just that little bit more. And yeah, he's a very smart guy. He's thought about everything correctly, and he teaches you everything correctly. He's not led me wrong yet, and the course has just solidified everything that I thought. I think he's actually a great guy, to be fair. Like, you don't know these type of people, but obviously he's the first person I met, and thankfully he's been awesome.
I guess it's just opened my eyes to more so the risks really involved. It's just engaged me as a whole really in how I'm going to approach doing it by myself independently. And that's really what I want to be able to do, to try and get from relying on somebody else's opinion and ideas to try and transition from that point to doing it by myself. And that's the key bit for me, and that's where I'm at really. Yeah, really approachable. He's, you know, for someone myself who needs to be explained things quite a few times, for me it's just about clarity, which he's great at, and you know, he's really patient as well. So two things you really need in a trainer, and they both help. Participating can only be, well, networking in general can only be a huge help in this sector really. Passing information is always going to be a good way of gathering more information and experience. As Karen's explained, this is it's not going to be, this is a never-ending learning experience, and the more you continue to network and learn, the better it is for you individually as an advantage, whether it's profitable or whether it's just in general knowledge of the world and the way it works. There's no downside to that. I can only say for me personally, but based on my experience, yes, it's something that I needed. Some people might think that they can do it solo or do it alone, but for people that are starting out, Kayan's a great way to move forward. So for me, I would definitely support that.